My son Vishrant joined FIITJEE in class 8th. Many of my colleagues' son and his senior friends were studying in FIITJEE at that time, and many of them had performed very well in IIT JEE. Because of this and with many references, we decided to put him in FIITJEE. FIITJEE provided him with a good scholastic and motivational support, and as soon as he joined in class 8th, he got selected in NTSE. We decided to put him early in FIITJEE because we had thought that he will have sufficient time to get his strengths and weaknesses evaluated, and there would be sufficient time for a mid-course correction if it is required for our strategies to be redefined. In our time also, I had qualified JEE in 1984, and at that time the competition was not so tough as it is now. Now it is a cutthroat competition, and you require to be very early to start with deal with such kind of competition. So this has helped him in joining FIITJEE early at class 8th level and taking his strengths and weaknesses being evaluated from faculties and taking a mid-course correction as and when required. FIITJEE Bhilai has played a major role in the success of my ward by way of giving a clear-cut goal in his mind, which was set very early in his mind, and the Bhilai faculty provided him a good motivational and scholastic support by way of reading materials and giving him feedback on tests, etc., thus giving him a bar which was very high, and he could get a good rank in JEE. I am very thankful for FIITJEE to provide this kind of support to my ward.